Hello again everyone, this time I'm going to be attempting a single pin pick. It is this YALE Y221 52 weatherproof padlock, as you can see. There's a shackle protector here and also plug protector, keep the worst of the weather out. There's your keyway. It does come with working key. There's a nice spring on it there. Lock it back up, it does lock up pretty tight. Keep the sealing. It's locked up there again. There is your pinning on the key. It is 5-pin. It does have security pins. The end part of this here doesn't remove off, so it makes tensioning just that wee bit harder. So you just place a tension wrench in there. Just try and drop the pick in. So it can be difficult to get right. Need reasonably heavy tension on. Sorry, slipped out there. It's not an easy pick this one because the keyway is just so tight. So you do have to put a fair bit of tension on. Oh, there's us over in the false side. Just picked open. There you go. Sorry. That is your YALE 22152 single pin picked. Thanks very much again to Dr. Bent. And all the best folks, and thanks for watching now.